Hey there, budget buddies. If you're using YNAB, that's you need a budget to keep your finances in check. You know how tedious it can be to set up a new budget from scratch every month. But what if I told you there's a simple way to copy your existing budget and save yourself a ton of time? In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to copy your budget in YNAB, so you can stay organized without the hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your YNAB account on the website or app. It's super straightforward from there. Head over to your budget dashboard. That's the main page where you see all your categories and spending. Look for the Budget tab or the gear icon for settings. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the right spot, find the Copy Budget option. It's usually under a menu labeled Tools or Actions. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select which budget you want to copy. YNAB lets you choose specific categories or even an entire month's budget, so pick what makes sense for your needs. For example, if last month's budget worked great, just select it and hit Copy. Next, decide where you want to paste that budget. You can copy it to a new month or another category group. YNAB will ask you to confirm, so double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Once you're good, click Apply or Save, and voila, your budget is duplicated. This feature is a total game changer because it helps you maintain consistency in your financial planning without starting over. Pro tip: always review the copied budget for any changes in your income or expenses, as life doesn't always stay the same. If you're new to YNAB, this tool will make the learning curve way easier. There you have it. Copying your budget in YNAB is quick and painless. Give it a try next time you set up your finances, and watch how much time you save. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and keep budgeting like a boss.